In this section, let's talk about problems. Before we dive into problem solving skills, let's understand what problems are all about. Let us discuss some basics of the problems before we move ahead. Like problems are not stop signs, they are guidelines. In general, even in the non professional environment, if you ask somebody, hey, how are you doing? They say, I'm doing very well. But if you really ask them, hey, looks like something is not good, then probably if you tap their shoulder and try to dive deep into it, they say, I have lots of problems. Nobody else in the world has that many problems. Likewise, everybody thinks the problems that they are going through are the biggest ones. So that is the real life scenario. But in general, should we see problems as problems or should we see problems differently? In my opinion, every problem is an opportunity to learn, to figure out problems and challenges, to invent and to reinvent. Because if you come across a problem, you will get creative in terms of identifying the right solution, thinking out of the box, providing a solution, providing different alternatives, so on and so forth. As per leadership coach Anthony Robbins, what he says is every problem is a gift, and without problem, we would not grow. So always think about problems positively. Think about them as an opportunity. And running away from a problem only increases the distance from the solution. This is another profound quote which I came across. And everyone sees problems differently and everyone thinks their problems are bigger than rest of us. So if you are able to treat the problems as opportunities and be the first one to solve the problem, you will get appreciated by your boss, your team, and all your stakeholders. So my advice is embrace problems because they will teach us a lot of stuff. And problems are nothing but wake-up calls for creativity. This is by another profound author, Gerard. And when solving problems, we need to dig at the roots instead of just hacking at the leaves. Right? So problem is only a problem if you refuse to look for a solution. If you don't take action to fix it, it will remain a problem. And you can increase your problem solving skills by honing your question asking ability. So one of the problem solving skills that I am going to teach you as part of this productivity monk course is 5 whys. So these are the basics of problems.